cabinets now come equipped with the InvisaGRIP Joinery System, an improved back panel design, and updated adjustable hinges. The unique InvisaGRIP system features a barbed design that locks components securely into place without any visible screws or fasteners. This video demonstrates how to connect cabinet panels using the InvisaGRIP system for a seamless, screw-free finish. Each cabinet component is designed with either an InvisaGRIP connector pre-installed or a matching precision-drilled hole. During assembly, align the connector on one panel with the pre-drilled hole on the adjoining panel. Insert the connector by hand, then tap gently with a rubber mallet until the joint is fully seated. Our improved back panel design features a deeper channel and a wider panel tongue. This allows the back panel to be secured by nailing through the back edge of the side panels and shelves, eliminating visible fasteners on the cabinet exterior. The new adjustable hinges make cabinet door alignment easier. If the door is out of alignment, it can be corrected using the adjustment screws. For left to right adjustments, use the screw indicated here. For elevation adjustments, use the screw indicated here. To adjust the gap between the cabinet box and door, use the screw indicated here.